Hey everyone, welcome to Codex Digest. Today I'm going to show you how to migrate a WordPress website to a new host. First, let's install and activate the plugin All-in-One WP Migration and Backup. What we're trying to do here is to export our website first. This is the same thing as backing up your website. Once the plugin is installed, hover over the menu and click Export. We're going to export the file. Just wait for it to complete, as it may also take a while, and then download the file. Once you've downloaded the file, let's proceed to the next step, which is migrating your domain name. Open your hosting provider's dashboard and head over to the Domains tab. You'll see a list of your domains there. Click on the one you want to migrate. Next, find the domain lock setting under the domain overview and toggle it off. This will allow us to transfer the domain. Once it's disabled, grab the authorization code and keep it handy for later. The next thing we're going to do is transfer the domain. Just click the Move to Another Account button, select the domain you want to transfer, and hit Continue. You'll then be redirected to the Domain Ownership section. Here you can view all the details of the domain. From this screen, we're going to initiate the domain move. Take note that a transfer lock will be enabled for 10 days once the domain is moved to another account. Also, the transfer process can take a few hours or even a couple of days to complete. If everything's ready, go ahead and click the Confirm button. Finally, let's head over to your newly installed WordPress site. If you're not sure how to install WordPress, don't worry. I've created a separate tutorial for that, and I'll link it in the caption. Now, install the All-in-One WP Migration plugin again, just like we did earlier. But this time, go to the Import section. Import the file we exported earlier, and you're all set. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future guides. Happy building!